How to think in English. Stop translating in your head. Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart English Start. Today we're talking about one of the most important skills in learning English, thinking in English. Many learners struggle with this. They try to speak, but their brain is busy translating word by word. This makes speaking slow and frustrating. So today I'll show you how to stop translating and start thinking directly in English. Why translating in your head slows you down. Think about this. When you speak your native language, do you translate first? Of course not. You just think and speak naturally. If you want to speak English faster and more fluently, you need to train your brain to think in English first. Step number 1, start with simple words and phrases. The first step is to get comfortable with basic words and phrases in English without translating them. Look around you and name objects in English. This is a table. I see a chair. I'm drinking coffee. Start with things you see every day. Train your brain to connect words directly with objects, just like a child learning their first language. Step number 2, describe what you're doing in English. Now try describing your actions in English, inside your head. When you wake up, I'm getting out of bed. While cooking, I'm cutting vegetables. On the train, I'm going to work. I see a tall building. At first, you might need to think slowly, but the more you do it, the faster it becomes. Step number 3, practice thinking in full sentences. Instead of just words, try making full sentences in your mind. Instead of phone, table, say, my phone is on the table. Instead of coffee, hot, say, my coffee is too hot to drink. This helps you build sentences naturally, without needing to translate word by word. Step number 4, have an inner monologue in English. Once you're comfortable with simple sentences, try having a conversation with yourself in English. What am I going to do today? I think I'll go to the gym after work. Maybe I'll watch a movie tonight. Think of it like talking to yourself, but in English. This will make speaking feel more natural over time. Step number 5, use AI or a language partner for practice. Now let's put everything into practice. Use ChatGPT or AI tools to practice conversations. Talk to a language partner in English. Join an English-speaking community online. Challenge, try thinking in English for 5 minutes. I challenge you to try thinking in English for just 5 minutes today. Describe what you see, what you're doing, or what you're planning for the day. The more you do it, the easier it gets. If you try it, let me know in the comments. Thinking in English takes practice, but if you do it every day, you'll see huge improvements. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.